and welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Telegram without the Telegram application. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to sign up for Telegram without the application, go open your web browser. Once you do that, in the search box, type in web.telegram.org and press the enter. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the web version of Telegram. Sign into your account by entering your phone number into the phone number text field. Now, as soon as you're done, tap on the next button in the upper right corner and confirm that your phone number is correct by clicking on OK. An SMS with an activation code will be sent to your phone. Simply enter the code that you received in the text field. After you do that, you'll be logged into your Telegram without the application version on your web. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.